A no deal between Port Authority and Amazon tonight for the online retail giant to build an air cargo hub at Newark Liberty Airport. The Port Authority withdrawing its proposal, saying Amazon was unwilling to meet basic labor and environmental practices for the deal set by Newark and Elizabeth, both communities. Now, the project would have given Amazon a 20-year lease to build two 250,000 square foot air cargo hubs next to the airport. But nearby communities pushed back, saying that if Amazon wants to come into the neighborhood, they need to create and guarantee jobs, clean air, and fair labor policies. Now, a member of Make the Road NJ says, quote, while our communities fought for basic health and safety, Amazon was unwilling to comply with basic labor and environmental standards. This fight has shown us that when we come together and fight against corporate greed and environmental destruction, our communities win. Port Authority's chief operating officer says that the agency will continue to search for the best use of the cargo space.